Hey everybody, it's your tech buddy MKBHD here. Today, we're diving into the world of local user accounts on Windows 10. You might be wondering, why bother with a local account when everyone's using Microsoft accounts? Well, let me tell you there are some solid reasons. First off, privacy. With a local account, your data stays on your computer. You don't have to share everything with Microsoft. This is a big win for folks who value their privacy. Second, control. A local account gives you more control over your computer. You can customize settings to your liking without Microsoft's influence. Lastly, simplicity. Sometimes, you just want a straightforward way to use your computer. Local accounts are perfect for this. They offer a clean and simple experience. So, whether you're a privacy buff, a control freak, or just want things simple, local accounts are worth considering. Stay tuned as we walk through the setup process in the next section. Alright. Microsoft's support website, browse through tech forums, or even hit up your favorite tech YouTuber, that's me. So go ahead, explore your new local account, and enjoy a more private, controlled, and simplified computing experience. Until next time, keep it techie.